How does a first time home buyer in San Diego with a median household income of $103,000 purchase a home?
First thing that people need to know is you don't have to put 20% as your down payment. The minimum down payment for a first time buyer is 3%. People don't know that there are even programs that can help cover that down payment for you. So you just have to come up with the closing cost.
And what does a closing cost look?
Your closing costs are those one time fees just to acquire the house.
Okay.
They usually range from about 2 to 3% of the price on their own.
hmm
So for a 500K property, that's 10 or 15 grand.
So I only need $10,000 to $15,000 to purchase a home.
There's actually another program that came out yesterday from San Diego that will actually give you a 10K grant to your closing costs too.
Wow.
So they can cover some of your closing costs. If you can't qualify for a program like that, one of the great things about our market right now is while rates are still high, prices are still kind of high, there is a lot of negotiating room as a buyer. So I've had a lot of buyers actually ask the seller, hey, instead of having a lower price for your house, I want you to cover some of my closing costs and pay for them.
So what does my monthly mortgage payment look like?
Yeah, so for that 500K property,
hmm
your monthly mortgage, including HOA and PMI and tax and insurance, in total will be about 4,200 per month.
And then can you said maybe that we could get some seller's credits. Does that mean I can get a lower monthly prime?
Great question. Yes, you can use credit to just cover some of those closing costs, or you can also use it to buy down your interest rate,
Mhm.
which is basically just paying more money to have a lower interest rate for your loan. So, like I had some buyers the other week we closed, we got $10,000 in credit from the seller. They bought their interest rate down to 5.875 and their monthly payments under $4,000.
Wow. 5.75%. So I could actually get a lower rate.
You can, yeah. Rates have been coming down, which is helpful, but you can actually get a pretty decent interest rate
Mhm.
when you can negotiate and win the house. When rates come back down at the 5% range on their own, it's going to be a lot harder to win those kinds of things.
Yeah, definitely.